Lake Jipe is a lake that borders two countries, Kenya and Tanzania. But it's not alone. Lake Chala also shares the same glory. The Kenyan-Tanzanian border is right in the middle of these lakes. Lake Jipe is fed by waters from River Lumi, which descends from Mount Kilimanjaro, and also some streams from the Pare Mountains. The local residents, though, claim that the lake is also fed by waters from Lake Chala, and Lake Jipe feeds Nyumba ya Mungu Dam, which is located in Tanzania. What is fascinating is that the local residents that live around Lake Jipe have a very unique understanding of the lake. They coexist among the wildlife like one unit. I will say they understand that the lake harbors crocodiles, water snakes, and also the hippopotamus, the hippopotamus is one of the Africa's most dangerous wild animal. But yet they fish at night. When we were speaking to the residents, they told us how they have this unique understanding. They understand that there is a time that the elephants cross over from Kenya to Tanzania over using the same lake, and they understand that at night when they are fishing they have to be careful not to trap the hippopotamus or to distract the hippopotamus from feeding. So what we learned was these communities know how to coexist with the wildlife, which for me it's a win situation because I got to understand that human beings can coexist with the wildlife.
Hapa kuna mpaka ya Kenya na Tanzania hapo ndani. Lakini maji sana sana kwa watu wa Tanzania. Yaani kubwa ni Kenya. Ya Tanzania.
Tunavuka, waonyeshe boda ya Kenya ni hapa, Tanzania ni pale, waonyeshe. Pale.
So guys, we are crossing over to Tanzania,
yes,
using a boat. Our captain over there, he's just rowing.
Mr. Joseph.
Yeah.
His name is Joseph. So if you come to this other side of Lake Jipe, you can find him. He's a very good captain. He will give you a little bit of the history of this place and the challenges that they face as the local, because there is a lot of things that they face, ranging from environmental problems and how challenging it is because naturally they are fishermen, so they fish at night. And in here we find there is a lot of crocodiles and there is hippos and also water snakes. So he tells you about a little bit of history of this place. So we are currently on Tanzanian side, so we are trying to see where he will take us.
Beautiful.
This is a very beautiful place. So whenever you come to Lake Jipe, you should try and find Joseph. He's one of the best captains. You can see Ugweno Mountains from Lake Jipe. So it's quite a good experience that you can have. Just a little bit of money to cross over. If you want him to do a manual thing like we are doing right now, it's really affordable. And also if you need the speedboat, you can also hire a speedboat. It's quite friendly price. So it depends with how many people you guys are. So since we are 2, we decided to divide ourselves in groups of 2. So we are crossing over and we have him doing the manual thing, and we are actually quite enjoying it.
Very well.
Hapa hawezi kashika chini. Anakuambia kazi moja na nusu. Hapa ni ile mto wa kule, hapa ndo nani yake, njia yake. Hapa tukifika pale sasa hivi, ngoja napeleke pale ukiukiza hivi. Utaona nafika mahali kama ndio ule dogo alikuwa anawaambia sasa zile. Hii hapa ni mto ambayo ile ilikuwa njia ya mto.
Na wenyewe sana kunywa maji. Watu wanakunywa maji.
Lakini hii maji ni fresh.
Oh, ni fresh.
Ni fresh. Pia chumvi ile. Lakini ni nani tu? Ni magadi ndio kwa mingi.
Iko na magadi.
Mingi iko na magadi sana. Wakati kwa kinyesha na vitaka hivi.
Hapo si parefu.
Si parefu kama pale sio?
Na tuko katikati.
Tumeona hii kitu tunagusa. Katikati
tumegusa mwisho.
Ndio boy maji naenda. Ukienda bado unaenda. Sio pale, tazama kidogo. Alafu kuna hapa ndo kuna deep sea. Bado maji nakimbia kutoka Lake Jipe. Ambayo inaenda mpaka
Asa umesema nyumba ya Mungu. Nyumba ya Mungu ni nini?
Nyumba ya Mungu ni baharini ya Tanzania, upande wa kule.
Ni ziwa.
Ni ziwa.
Ni kubwa sana.